Here we are, stuck inside of a cafe here in the island, as it is pouring rain. You might be able to see. At least we got some Peter Tosh going here in the background. Our little cafe news. Yeah, it is pouring. So we're sitting here having some coffee. Like it's having a latte. I had a baguette. Oh, baguette. I'm drinking some coffee. And there it is. It's raining again. There's some Brits. And we'll do a whole pan of this place real quick. Pretty cool little spot. See what shot? Yeah, there's a little bookshop to our left. Couches. So yeah, this is our little rainy Saturday morning here on the island in the pouring rain.